Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable read receipts on Instagram. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Select the hamburger icon now in the top right. And you want to go and select, if you scroll down a little bit, versus how others can interact with you. Select messages and story replies. And then select where it says show read receipts. And if you want to enable or disable read receipts, you can turn that on or off at the top here. If it's turned on to the right, others can see when you've read their messages, or if you have it disabled and turned to left, it means they will not be able to see that. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.